Hello, students. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Pallav Study with Purval Sisters. In this video, we are learn some good thoughts. So let's start. Kindness costs nothing. Choose happiness every day. Believe in yourself. Smile. It's contagious. Contagious. Every day is a new opportunity. Focus on what you can control. Gratitude leads to happiness. Success is a journey, not a destination. Mistakes are opportunities to learn. learn. Keep on open mind and heart. Never give up on your dreams. Empathy and understanding can change the world. You can never too old to learn something new. It's never too late to start over. Failure is a necessary part of success. Don't let fear hold you back. Small act of kindness can make a big difference. Your perspective shapes your reality. Love conquers all. I hope this video helpful for you. So please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.